Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You open Capcut and load the exact project file. Start now. Tap the timeline to surface layers so you can see the subtitle track. This tells you whether captions are editable. If captions are a separate subtitle track, you can remove them directly. If they are burned into the video image, you will need to re-edit or run OCR and replace text. Once the track is visible, select the subtitle layer, because that first selection determines whether you delete or edit captions without harming the video. With the subtitle track selected, press the trash icon to permanently remove it. This immediately clears editable captions. Alternatively, hide or mute the subtitle layer if you want a reversible option, useful when testing exports. If subtitles are burned in, make a plan. Apply a mask and use the clone/blur tool to cover the text, or replace the clip with a clean version. Make sure to preview at normal playback speed, so timing and overlays remain correct before you proceed to final touch. Export a short, 5-10 second clip first to confirm subtitles are truly gone. This saves time. Once done, inspect frames. If text persists, check for additional subtitle tracks or burned-in text on embedded footage. If you find burned-in subtitles, re-import the original clean footage or use content-aware fill and masking tools to cover the text, then re-export. Troubleshooting tip: if deletion doesn't work, duplicate the project and try removing tracks one by one so you preserve a safe backup copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.